Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to help you find your API key in ChatGPT. So let's jump straight in. The first thing you want to do is log into ChatGPT, and we're actually going into platform.openai.com/playground. And this is basically where everything will happen. So this is what it actually looks like. And so you'll have your recent chats on the left hand side over here. You're going to go over to the left hand side. You can see that there is a menu, and right over here you can see clearly it says API keys. Now if your interface is slightly different, you may have a personal tab which is currently at the bottom of my page on the left hand side. It could be at the top of the page on the right hand side. It could possibly be there. You're going to go in there and you'll find API keys. Now once you go into API keys, you will see that all the API keys are right over here. You can now go ahead and find all of your API keys. You can edit them right over here. I hope this was enjoyable. If it was, drop us a like. We will see you in another awesome video. Cheers.